Tayo na nga na dali. Ganito. Ores.
Okay, timer. Start. Now.
I just want to ask a question. Are you depressed or defiant? Well, experts concede that it is difficult to tell the difference between a normally rebellious teenager to the one who is genuinely rebellious. So there is always a misconception that if you are young, you cannot suffer from depression. And factors such as rising divorce rates, rising academic pressures can really push the kids to the brink. Mood changes can no longer be attributed to adolescents because they are out of the stage. So teenage depression must be seen as a medical condition or illness. So studies show that teenage depression are more likely to fail at school. They are more likely to become promiscuous and more likely to have depression as adults. So according to a research, teenage depression, or that when a teenager has a depression, so they are more likely to fail at school and they are more prone to have a depression as adults. So in extreme cases, so when a teenager is depressed and they are treated not in time, so they tend to be more promiscuous. And then in extreme cases again, so when a teenager is diagnosed with depression, they tend to be they tend to fail at school. And then, but there's a good news because when a teenager was diagnosed to have a depression, they have the excellent chance to recovery compared to the adults.
Why?
Why? Because their negative thoughts are less stretched and easier to become cognitive therapy compared to adults. So the key treatment is identifying the warning signs of depression. So sometimes parents and teachers dismiss moodiness and irrational behavior towards the teenage growing up. And then when you tend to know that your brothers or sisters or students experiencing or suffering from a depression, so the right key is not easy. Finding the right key is not easier. Most of the Asian countries, especially the Philippines and the Malaysia, has a fewer child and adult psychiatrists to tackle the problem. So they have fewer than 40, and Singapore who has only have 50. So preventing teenage depression is easier than treating it. So there are the cautious behavior. So they are more likely to drop remarks. So drop remarks and social breakdowns.